Hello everyone and welcome to the FinLearn Academy. In this week also we have seen the market trading on the positive side. In the days of a trading session in this week, we have seen that means prices are continuously protected by its low point. We can have a close look on that. Means this is something called as a tweezer bottoms, where the prices are forming its low at the same level. So it indicates that means sellers were not able to surpass its in a previous day low, and continuously improvement was happening. And at the end of this week, we are again coming back to our earlier high that was around the 10,300 level. So on a week on week basis, near about a 3% gain has posted by the market. Now having the close look over that, we can see that means index has given the positive momentum, it is into the rising side, and it has approached to the resistance point of 10,300 level. But at this momentum, the resistance is, of course it is important, but more than that, the prevailing trend is more important. So whatever the historical levels that we are having, it has its own importance. But right now the trend is moving on the positive side, and we need to emphasize more on this part rather than putting the entire emphasis on the resistance of 10,300. Because in a positive trend, what is a definition of a positive trend in a simple way is that means resistance points taken out easily and support levels find the respect over there. So into the past also we have the resistance point around this level, so it has taken out very easily. We were having the support at around the 8,800 level, so which were holding up. This time again we have seen the higher high formations, from that we have seen a kind of the reactions, but this reaction has ended near to this point, which was nothing but one of the important role reversal support level. So this is how the things are unfolding by having the higher highs and higher lows sequence. That's why the 10,300 level is not a major concern, but the important point is that means undergoing the upside trend. So the next question comes up is that means up to what level we remain a bullish, or what are the key levels, if that are taken out then we turn our bias on the negative side. So for that purpose we need to dissect on little bit on the lower time frame. So let's come to the intraday chart of on 90 minutes. So in an intraday chart, how the things has happened. So as of now, this a week's or Friday closing that has happened, we have entered into the resistance band. But as I say, that means as of now, the important point or important thing to put emphasize is the unfolding moment, the rising momentum right now, rather than the resistance point. So we are at a resistance point, but on the lower side we are having the support points like this. Means this is nothing but a 10,000 level, which has a round figure psychology. It has also the historical strong reversals point. So for a very short term perspective, as far as we are above the 10,000 level, so it is considered as in a short term bullish territory. Short term bullish territory we are in as far as the Nifty is sustaining above the 10,000 level. So let's say that tomorrow the market is coming down by the 100 point, it doesn't affect the sentiment, it doesn't create a good amount of the negativity over there, because certain kinds of corrections keeps on happening within the bulls territory. So 10,000 level holds as an immediate support level. So above that level we are in the positive territory, and if we little bit look from the broader perspective, from a medium term perspective, so the immediate base of this consolidation patch, which comes at around the 9,700 level, so that becomes a positional important level for the market. So as far as the 9,700 level is hold from the positional perspective, the things are into the positional trend. On the higher side, of course, means the 10,300 level is the one, and above than that we are having a 10,600, the next best major resistance point, where it has in a lots of price action has formed over there. Lots of reversals points are there, means like this, and there are certain reversals point like this, and this value also coincides within a 61.8 retracement level. So on the high side, the 10,600 remains next best resistance point for us. On the low side, for a short term perspective, the 10,000 becomes a immediate support point for us, which becomes in a bullish territory on the lower band, and little bit from the broader perspective, the 9,700 level. So this is the first case. But into the second case, we have seen that means after the strong upside momentum, we see a certain short of the price wise correction as well. But if the price wise correction has to happen, then in what range? So ideally this range can be the 10,300 on the high side, which is the upper band, and 10,000 means 9,500 to 9,600 on the lower band, which is the consolidation page may unfold. However, it is in premature to say, but if the prices are getting into the consolidation patch, so this can be the broader range. But in this range also, the bias remains a positive, or in a better way, we can say that this is a sideways to the positive momentum over there. So this is what the progress is about the Nifty that we did from the important trigger points, its upside potential, and what can be the second scenario if prices is not moving and not in line with its upside momentum. So what the other scenario can unfold, that is in range boundness, and what can be the broader range for it. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.